Okay, today I have a little project. When I was in the Bahamas, the AC worked perfect, excellent. But I still think I can improve more on cooling down the cabin of the boat, especially when it's 105 outside. Like today it's 102, 103. It's really hot. So I'm getting good temperature out of the air conditioning. See, I'm getting about 55.5 degrees out of the air conditioning, which is great because outside I'm getting a temperature of, see, look at the temperature outside, it's 103. But the problem I'm having is here at the blower, and some of my viewers talked about it earlier, and I knew this was going to dispense a little bit of heat, but look at the temperature that the blower is giving. I'm getting 136 degrees on the blower. Also on the ductwork, I'm getting about 135 degrees. So that is definitely a little bit of heat coming up here. If I put my hand in here, I feel a little bit of vapor coming in here. Okay, so to improve on that, I have this insulation that is self-adhesive foil and foam. Is in R value 3. R value 3. So it's going to improve a lot. It's made for ductworks and it doesn't have any fiber, so it's not going to be bad for our quality of breathing inside the cabin. So no fiber, and also have some duct connector to help it stay together. So let's get it started and see if this is really going to help to increase our cool efficiency in here. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lid off where the AC is. And I'm going to place a towel here. That way no debris will fall in there by the AC system, and it's going to block the drain system. So we don't want that. So this towel is going to help prevent that. So if you see, all this here needs to be insulated, this box. Even though this box has insulation inside, we want to insulate it from the outside now to keep it more insulated, and all these hoses here, and also the blower there. So see, it's self-adhesive, and we're going to also attach it with this foil here, which is also made for air conditioning, so that way it sticks together. Now what I need to do is cut it to fit it where the blower is going to go, the housing and also the box. Okay, now that I have all this insulation in, this is what's going to put it together. This is very strong, so it's going to hold that insulation together, so it's not going to come off. So now that I have all the tape on it, everything is sealed, I want to use this fiber reinforced water-based duct sealing mastic. And what I'm going to do is apply it with a brush everywhere there's that insulation there, the way to keep it together and there's no hot air escape. So now that I apply all the mastic on it, that insulation is not going anywhere because it's going to become more like a cask. This is made for air conditioning. So right now that's going to become like a cask for the air ductwork. So now I'm going to test it. Alright, so I'll put the lid back on. So now I'm going to turn the compressor on. And now we're going to see what kind of efficiency we're going to take out of that insulation. So now I'm going to test to see what temperature I'm getting out of the air conditioning. Alright, I'm getting 54.5. A little bit better on temperature. 53.5. And outside is 103. And now we're going to see the insulation of the blower once I insulated it. Okay, I'm getting 81. And remember, it was 135. So now I'm getting 81. And I'm going to move the temperature around the hose to see what temperature I'm getting all the way through. Look at that, 79, 80, 78. And I was getting before about 135. So definitely insulating the hose and also the box with the mastic and the insulation has improved a lot. So that's going to keep my cabin a lot cooler than before, especially during the day. During the night it freezes in here, but during the day I need to conserve as much cool air as possible. And by doing this upgrade with insulation, I'm sure I'm going to increase about 10% better efficiency inside the cabin. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.